Khubor kumba prasiteng AA hakajan mit santarik nailar kalaja ka Jingpluh ding hala stop Laban hakabaka ding kala Pynjulor Hynriew Tylli ki Dukan la suba baka jingkem ding kala abandai naka jingtut Khubor ding elektrik hakawei nikite ki Dukan barpur ki wei par ki Dukan ki badan marsenda kini ki Dukan ki kentop ya ki Dukan di do di jhur Dukan khapsnyu Dukan sha bar ki wei kaladon ru ka jinga thu bah Khubor ba kem ding kaladon ka jing bethai tendong leer shet jing shet ka balapan klang susu ya ka ding kham hadian na ka jing pentep kinong song snong ha ka te ka banta lawan poi ki kali pelip ding ki patang shipor ki lala ban pendep ya ka ding nalor kan ye ki bor pahara CRPF ru ki lawan ban yarap lang ya ki bor pulet ka jilla
दिख रहा भी नहीं है वीडियो में
मैं अगर मंगलवार को आता हूँ मैं आपको कॉल करता हूँ बिल्कुल हाँ मंगलवार को आता हूँ, मैं आपको कॉल करता हूँ। बिल्कुल। Electricity, and after that, within few minutes, they have reached. They have shut down from the transformer. Also, they have stopped the electricity. So now you can see, like you can find out there from last stop till the thing yeah, there is no electricity. So you can find out like the everything has come down. So nothing has been happened. There was no incident. But only the thing is that the government should find out. I mean, the thing they should find out how the fire was broke out. Whether it's a short circuit or whether it's from other source. Now it depends upon it, because it's a totally wooden shops and everything. So how the fire broke out, it depends upon the after the investigation. This is the only thing, and as a general public, it is my duty to save the people of my locality. And I am born and brought up from here, so it is a thing to find out and to save the people of the humanity. It was around 8:30 and all. My name is Subhashish Chaudhary. I am working as a hospital marketing. So like it is my duty to help the genuine people.
Yes, yes. Share with us your assistant here today. Yes, actually, we found that there is a fire. So CRPF is deployed over here for law and order duty, as you know that. So here we found that there is a fire. So our troops responded immediately and took the situation into the control. So CRPF is always for the people, and always they are there to help the people in all the situations. Like here in the fire situation, our troops responded immediately.
So what was your role here when you came here?
Yes, definitely our role is very important, because in such a condition there is lot of congestion. People run here and there. So in that condition, there is law and order situation. We control that all the assistance that is required for the fire to extinguish the fire. So we have responded immediately, so that people will, there is safe passage for fire brigade, for fire vehicles. Along with it, we help in the extinguishing of the fire.
When this kind of cases happen, you see lots of people gathering, like near the incident happened.
Yes.
What is your message about?
That in such of condition we must keep ourselves cool and calm, and we must give safe passage to the agencies that are responsible for taking the action. So and secondly, the cooperation of the people is very important. If they cooperate us, then the situation can be handled very easily.
How do you find about today's situation?
So the situation today is, as we know that it could spread in in very larger place, but because of the immediate response by the CRPF and the fire brigade, as you know, so we have very swiftly done our job.
What's your good name?
My name is Ashutosh Avasti. I am from 67 Battalion, Assistant Commander.
Ashutosh Avasti.
Ji.
Thank you so much.
When did you all get a call? What happened? Give us few details.
Yeah, one Mr. Subhashish Chaudhary, a local person from last stop Laban area only. He called me through his personal mobile, on my personal mobile, at around 2 minutes past 9 p.m. Okay, that there is a fire at last stop. Immediately, we have received the call from our fire service headquarters also, and we have activated our vehicle. And in the meantime, I have activated my another vehicle from Shillong fire station, my counterpart. So both these vehicles, they arrived within 3 minutes, 3.5 minutes, and when we came here, within 5 minutes we controlled the fire. We controlled the fire, and say around after 20 to 25 minutes, we have managed to extinguish the fire.
So sir, how many shops are there? Sir, right?
There are 6 to 7 shops as of now. 2 archery counters, one this food palace, and then one vegetable shop, and one saloon. Saloon is okay, no damage is there, and only the structures is partially damaged, not fully damaged. And again, you will be asking me the cause of fire.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah.
Because people are saying that they heard a loud bang before this thing.
Okay. So I have no comment on that sound which occurred, because when we came here we saw the structures was already on fire and we started firefighting. There was no sound when by the time we arrived here.
So the public out here, they are saying it could be electrical that started. I'm not sure. You are an expert.
We cannot rule this out. This can only be ascertained when we conduct the inquiry properly.
And when will you do that, sir?
Of course, within 24 hours we have to do that. So most probably first hour tomorrow. If I am not engaged in any other work, then I'll come here to conduct the inquiry. I'll let you know that when I come here for inquiry.
No loss of life.
No loss of life, no injuries, and no major damage. It's a small fire. We categorize it as small fire.
How many shops, sir?
7 shops.
मेरा पास है।